In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop or at least reduce those annoying YouTube ads on your Samsung Smart TV. Whether you're watching through the built-in app or a streaming device, while there's no official ad-free way without paying, there are some solid options that actually work. First off, the most straightforward option is to subscribe to YouTube Premium. It removes all ads from videos across devices, including your Samsung Smart TV. You can sign up directly through the YouTube app on your TV or online through your Google account. If you're looking for free methods, and let's be real, who isn't, things get a little tricky. One trick some users swear by is using the picture-in-picture PIP mode. Play the video, hit the home button on your remote, then reopen the YouTube app. Sometimes it skips the pre-roll ad. Another option is to use a web browser on your smart TV and go to m.youtube.com, which occasionally shows fewer ads than the full app. You can also try connecting an external streaming device like Fire Stick or Roku and installing third-party apps that offer modified versions of YouTube, though these aren't officially supported and can come with risks. Thanks for watching. If you found a method that helped reduce or remove YouTube ads on your Samsung Smart TV, drop a comment below and let me know which one worked best for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart TV tips. See you next time.